So if you're watching this video, obviously the title is something related to box truck wraps and stuff like that. I want to highlight and tell you guys, this right now is, I don't know if this is coming to focus, but it's 10:22 a.m. Started this morning at 7 a.m. This whole side is about to be done by 11. The other side will be done by the end of the day, if the sun permits, if not tomorrow. It's a project that going to the wrong shop can take you 5 days to complete. Not here. This all was printed in 1 day. Truck got dropped off, the lift got dropped off, and we got it started right away. We don't waste time. We understand these projects are obviously time-consuming and costly, more importantly, and therefore we make sure that we help you lower the cost by lowering your downtime. You have a driver dropping this off, etc. We get all that stuff done in-house, with printing house, with design, obviously in-house. This was a design provided by Carrier. Not taking claim for that, but we could design a graphic for you, whether you have box trucks like this or trailers and you want to advertise your business, or you have box trucks and trailers like that and you're renting this space. We can change the graphic, we can install graphics for you, change them out. We actually do this quite often with people that are coming to conventions and they basically want to get a graphic done to advertise on the strip and at the event, and then we pull them out a week later. We offer those services here in Las Vegas. If you're coming for our convention, we also printing some banners for them and all that stuff. We got a van up front too. We make sure we get you taken care of at a competitive price with the fastest possible turnaround in Las Vegas. I guarantee you that, and the best possible service in Las Vegas. I guarantee you that as well. On top of that, then obviously the pricing is competitive, the materials are good, we can remove them with no problems and provide you a written warranty for something that's long-term. This is something that's going to be up for a week, so they don't worry about that. Just basically want to make sure we install it quickly, we get it out of here quickly, and we take it off properly and quickly without causing any damage, so they don't have to incur any extra cost. We're located in Henderson in the Valley Automall, about 14-foot bay doors. So this trailer could potentially, or could have been inside, but we have a $2.5 million RV inside the shop that is obviously taking priority of the space. We could have had it inside. We can do these things for anybody needing big box trucks, big fleet of stuff. We do it all the time. We can get 3 or 4 of these done per week with no issues, given that you obviously drop off and pick up in a timely manner. If you're interested in getting anything printed in this large of a format, in wrapped, wall wraps, commercial wraps, anything like that, you give us a call. We'll be in touch right away. Doesn't matter the time. You're going to get a hold of us immediately, right away. And we're going to provide you with the information that we can provide over text or email. And then we're going to follow it up with a phone call. We're going to get more details about your project and provide real-life information and estimates and quotes. Thank you guys if you watch this video. This is Miguel. I'm with Purple Flare Wraps. I would love to assist you in any project you have coming to Las Vegas like this, or anything that you need permanent as well.